Here is a product rule question that I'm going to go over. I went over something very similar in the last video, where there was cosine and an x squared term, but it was very similar. But I'm going to go through the motions so that you're starting to get used to using this equation. So it is u dv dx plus v du dx. This is your product rule equation. You should kind of know this now very well. And I'm going to make this my u term. So u would equal 2x cubed. Therefore du dx would be 6x squared. I'm going to let v equal sine 5x, and I went over how to do this in the previous video, and it was using the chain rule. So I'm going to let t equal 5x, and therefore dt over dx would equal 5. But now, because I've let t equal 5x, v equals sine t now, because obviously I've just substituted that through. That means dv over dt will equal cos t. Now, in the previous video, I keep saying lecture. In the previous video, I also said why this happens, and it's because of a little trick. I'm going to just do it again for you, in case you haven't seen another video. So you differentiate to go down, you integrate to go up. So if you just write this down, sine, cos, minus sine, minus cos, it means that whenever you're going up and down, let's say you have a problem with cos 2x, and you want to know, oh, I've substituted my t equals 2x, and what does cos become, and you're sitting in an exam and you're panicking. Just remember, sine differentiated becomes cos, cos differentiated becomes minus sine becomes minus cos, and when you get here and you've got minus cos and you want to differentiate it again, you go back to the top to become sine, and you just keep going down and around all the way again, and integration you go up. So obviously here I had a sine, and I've got sine t, so sine t would become cos t using this thing, but now dv over dt multiplied by dt over dx, so this multiplied by this, the dt's cancel out, giving me dv dx, which is what we want for our product rule equation, would be 5 this multiplied by cos. Don't want to put t in because t's are gone, so let's substitute t back in, which was 5x. So that is my dv dx. Now, just plugging these all through, this multiplied by this, added to v multiplied by du dx. So you'll get 2x cubed multiplied by 5 cos 5x added to 6x squared multiplied by sine 5x. Now I can simplify this out a little bit, which would be 10 x cubed cos 5x, which is 6x squared sine 5x. So that is your answer to the differential of this.